Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your wish list on Shein. Keep watching the video till the end. To share your wish list on Shein, firstly open up your Shein application. The home page of Shein application will appear on the screen. Now to share your wish list, all you need to do is tap on any product you want to add to your wish list. Click on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Wishlist option. You can see that the products are added to your wish list. The problem is you cannot directly share your wish list, but there is a solution for it. On the wish list section, tap on boards. Click on create a new board and add the items from your wish list by selecting the product and then click on add to board. You can now share these products by clicking on share icon to other social medias or copy the link as well. This is how you can share wishlist on Shein application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.